Let's look at some applications of Big Wheel Fist. We have the double lower punch, and this was the introductory movement of Big Wheel Fist, doing a double block and a double punch down to the opponent's lower ribs. Double block and double punch. Next application is the fanche, also known as tiger washing his face. And this one is useful against multiple straight punches to the face. Followed by a roundhouse strike. The blocks are followed by a roundhouse strike. Tiger washing his face, also known as the fanche. This one is the hook grab palm strike, wiping into a hammer fist strike. And performed at regular speed. Again, these are movements directly out of the form of Big Wheel Fist. That's the beauty of martial arts, of traditional Chinese Kung Fu, is the application directly from the form. Sometimes there might be some variation in how you need to apply them, but essentially the applications are hidden within the forms. This one's Black Tiger steals the heart. Roundhouse strike, grabbing with the upward hand, and you are the Black Tiger and you are stealing the heart. Right roundhouse strike, parrying and attacking the heart, solar plexus, ribs. Next, we have the demonstration of the door shutting kick. We see Sifu Li executing a back fist, and then a door shutting kick into the groin region and retreating into a ready position. Notice the elements here of the 14 roads. This is 14 road number 6. It has these elements. They are the retreating and the kicking. Here we see a reverse angle, Sifu Li executing a back fist and a door shutting kick into a retreat. Again, we see this in the form Big Wheel Fist. This is a demonstration of the leg uprooting kick. This is prefaced by Luk Luk Choi, circle, small circular blocks against multiple straight punches. Sifu demonstrating Lok Lok Choi against multiple strikes and then uprooting his opponent's legs.